Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Kels, and by the title of the video you know what we will be doing today. I'll be showing you guys how to do this cornrow hairstyle. Yeah, looking all bomb, you know. If you do it neat enough, you can wear it go out, or you can wear it under your wig or whatever. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Remember to subscribe. Mwah. Alright guys, so I started out by combing out my hair, and then what I'm doing is I'm just making the part section in which I'm going to do the cornrow. I am not going to do these small, as it is only for a tutorial, and I don't like to cornrow it small either way. It holds just the same. Alright, so I'm just sectioning it off and ensuring that the part is as straight as can be, and then comb it out so that there is no tangling when I start to do the cornrow. So I'm just brushing the short hair away because the comb is not able to. Alright, so yeah, let's get into it. Here's a close-up. Alright, so after I part the hair, I'm going to make a section part in it. This is a good way to start, especially if you are new to cornrow, because it helps to navigate exactly what you're doing. So I split the front part into three different sections, three different strands: right, left, and the middle. There it is. Okay, so alright, let's just get this straight, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to do. Alright guys, so this is the right hair. What I'm going to do is I am going to bring the right hair across under the middle hair and grab the left strand. Now after I grab the left strand, I am going to hold the middle hair. I'm going to bring it under the left strand and grab the right strand. So I am just going to be continuing to do that same process. I am going to grab the right, bring it across, grab the left, bring it across, grab the right. So basically this is the same process I'll be doing straight to the end. Now after you do the first braid, you're just going to take your time and add in the additional hair slowly to every strand to keep the hair going. Now I know cornrow is normally very hard for individuals to do, so I'll be showing you guys about 2 more times, even in slow motion, on how to do this cornrow hairstyle. Cornrow is very beneficial, as you can wear it under your wigs when you're on a quick movement, or in this coronavirus time, quarantine time. It's good to have your hair in a cornrow so that it can grow better than to leave it out, because you know you can't always make it to the hairdresser, especially in this quarantine time. All right, so now I'm just braiding out the ends of the hair. I normally just twist the ends after I reach the bottom because it's harder to lose out my hair when it's flat all the way to the end. So okay, there it is. It's a little bit out, so I'm just trying to straighten it out. Alright guys. Alright, so just let's get into the second one, where I'll be showing you guys a close-up of the video. Alright guys, so I'm just making the part again. Now this doesn't have to be straight. As you realize guys, this is not really straight. It's a bit lean. It might look straight, but it's a bit lean, because you know the top section of your hair has a larger width than the back section, so the top section has to be thicker, and you know, as you're going down, the back section gets a little bit smaller. Alright guys, so I'm just brushing it again because this front section is a bit small. Then I'm going to part again at the front, and then I'm going to section off into 3 strands. So here is the 3 strands. The right, the left, and the middle is not perfectly straight because I barely have any hair front. Alright guys, again, I'm going to take the right strand. I am going to bring it under the middle strand and grab the left strand. Then you're going to bring the middle strand under the left strand and grab the right strand. Right under, grab left, middle, under the left one and grab. So basically guys, you'll be doing the same thing over and over again. So you're just grabbing the hair as you go by. Look. Alright, so you have the right under the middle, grab the left, grab the middle, grab the right. So basically you're just grabbing from each section from right to left and just bringing it across to get the cornrow. So basically that's how you do it. It is going to take some time and it is going to take some practice, but once you are doing it every day or even 3 times for the week, you will get it. Practice really does take perfect. I don't remember exactly when I started to cornrow, but it was from when I was younger. I always liked it. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys see what I am doing now. So yeah.